బ్యాక్ మహిళల్లో బ్రెస్ట్ క్యాన్సర్పై అవగాహన కలిగించడం, ఫిట్నెస్ ప్రాముఖ్యతని తెలియజెప్పడమే లక్ష్యంగా హైదరాబాద్ పింకథాన్ సాగింది. ఉదయం 5కి ప్రారంభమైన పింకథాన్ కోసం ఒక హైదరాబాద్ నుంచే గాక ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నుంచి కూడా ఔత్సాహికులు వచ్చి పాల్గొన్నారు. మొత్తం 3 విభాగాల్లో నిర్వహించిన పోటీలో ఉత్సాహంగా పరుగులు పెట్టారు. మహిళల్లో ఫిట్నెస్పై అవగాహన పెంచేందుకే పింకథాన్ ఏర్పాటు చేశానన్నారు వెటరన్ బాలీవుడ్ యాక్టర్ మిలింద్ సోమన్. పింకథాన్కి హైదరాబాద్లో మంచి స్పందన లభిస్తోందంటున్న సోమన్తో మా ప్రతినిధి ఫణి ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్.
పింకథాన్ వెనకలో ఉన్నటువంటి మెలిన్ ద ఐరన్ మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. సో అదన్నీ అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ మోటివ్ బిహైండ్ దిస్ పింకథాన్? సార్,
this is to encourage more women to adopt a healthier lifestyle, a fitter lifestyle, take out some time during the day for themselves. We know that women are very active all the time, but they are working for other people, for their family, for their job, for their career. But they have to take out some time for themselves if they want to be fit and they want to be healthy. And when we talk about fitness and health, it's not only about physical health, it's also about mental health, emotional health. Everybody needs to spend some time with themselves. So you can choose running or walking or yoga or meditation or cycling or something that you spend that time with yourself. So that is the main message.
How is the response here in Hyderabad then?
It's
For the
very
second
good.
time?
This is the second time, so it's better than last time, and it's catching on. So all the women that you see here today are going to inspire hundreds and hundreds of women to also take up a fitter lifestyle. Whether they participate in Pinkathon or not, they will start doing something in their life, which is good.
I have seen so many people, I mean the aged people also running enthusiastically.
There are no aged people here, only with heart. Yes. Yeah, there are people from all backgrounds, all profiles, socio-economic backgrounds, from everywhere. We have not left out anybody. We go to different communities and we tell them what is the Pinkathon, why it's important, why they should participate. So we have women coming from all kinds of backgrounds, housewives, corporates, from underprivileged societies. Every woman, see, visually impaired, you can see all these girls, they're blind, but they've come to participate in Pinkathon. So they are also very excited that they can do this. Otherwise there are no events for them. Each one of them needs one person to hold a hand because they don't know where to go. So they have also come. If you see these girls here, they are all visually impaired. They can't see, and each one of them has one partner, like a partner. It's like a team. So each blind girl has one person running with her. And that is also important to show other people if they can do it, if they are so excited by it, then what is your excuse?
So why, one final question, why the Iron Man Milin doing all these things?
Because I believe that in India especially, we don't understand the value of active lifestyle. We don't understand the value. Once we do, then everybody will do it. So I'm just trying because I love to be fit. I've been living a healthy lifestyle since I was 10 years old because that is my background. And I know the advantage that I've had in 50 years. I'm 51 now, and I want everybody to feel that. So just to encourage women is a big thing because women influence families a lot. When a woman does something, the whole family follows. So it's important that this event happens across the country.
One last question, Milind. What was there in your mind at the 15th hour, in the last hour? I mean, 15 hours. It took 15 hours and 18 minutes, I think, right?
Man.
Yeah.
But well, the thing is, see, the Iron Man is a good challenge.
Yeah.
But I was already quite fit, so it wasn't that tough for me. The main thing is you have to be mentally prepared. Physically, I was prepared. Mentally, you have to be prepared. How will I do 15 hours? Because your mind will tell you 15 hours is a lot, 14 hours is a lot. What will happen after 10 hours? Like you're asking me, what will happen after 6 hours? What will happen after 15 hours? So your mind creates a lot of obstacles.
Okay.
You have to just remove all those thoughts and go, and you will finish.
You think somebody will challenge you in the coming years?
Many people from India are doing Ironman. We don't know about it.
Okay.
So in fact, with me in Zurich, there were 4 other people who did Ironman from India, but we don't know. Only because I'm famous, people know. But otherwise, anybody can do this. Any challenge in your life, if you prepare, you can beat it. If you don't prepare, you can't beat it. It's the same. We learn it in school also. If you study, you will pass. If you don't study, you will fail. It's the same with any challenge.
Thank you so much, Milind. And so అది ఈ పింకథాన్ తాలూకా లక్ష్యం అదే అని చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. ఎంతోమంది ఇక్కడ మనం చూసినట్లయితే విజువల్ ఇంపైర్డ్ అండ్ చాలామంది వాళ్ళు కూడా పరిగెడతా ఉన్నారు. అలాగే దేనికైనా కూడా చాలామంది ఈ ఐరన్ మ్యాన్కి కూడా చాలామంది ఛాలెంజ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారని చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. మరికొద్దిసేపట్లో 3 కిలోమీటర్స్ రన్ కూడా ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ కాబోతుంది. మొత్తం అంతా కూడా పింక్థాన్ అంతా కూడా ఒక అద్భుతమైన సక్సెస్ అయ్యింది మిలిన్ చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. కెమెరామెన్ సురేష్తో ఫణి, ఎన్టీవీ.